Excellent. If you finished all 6 of these, go ahead and check your answers against mine. You can pause the video if you need to freeze the frame. Now, you have 2 empty boxes at the bottom. What I'd like you to do is fill in these 2 words and then take a moment and do the syllabication. You should notice something rather interesting about these 2. Pause the video, try it out, then come back. So how did it go? You should have noticed that these 2 words could be divided either way. This could be Polish or polish. This could be project or project. So when you have a word that could be divided either way, what are you going to do if your students ask you about them? I'm hoping that you were thinking along the lines of, well, of course I'm going to tell my student to look at the context. The whole point of syllabication is to be able to have a strategy for unfamiliar words when students are reading. Therefore, we always want to make sure that the words are making sense in context. So you will run into things like this sometimes, and it's all going to depend on context. We want to make sure that our students are stopping and asking themselves, does it make sense? And we want to make sure that our students know syllabication isn't only to be used on our worksheets. We're practicing on our worksheets so that we have something to use when we're actually reading and come into a tricky word.